One of the major backbone for United States Air Force, United States Army, Navy and Coast Guard is the Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk helicopters. The UH-60 Black Hawk, which was developed in early 1970s, has been in service since June 1979. And these choppers would be retired very soon by the United States Defense after 50 years of service life. United States initiated a program for searching the successor to the Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk utility helicopter, and the program, as we all know, was titled as Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft. In order to identify the interested manufacturers for this particular program, United States Army posted a request for information in April 2019. The main change between the currently used UH-60 Black Hawk and the future long-range assault aircraft is that the upcoming one would be more agile and faster than the existing UH-60 Black Hawk choppers. Coming to the in-development protocols and the manufacturer details for this program, the first one in the list is the Sikorsky Boeing SB-1 Defiant. This is a compound helicopter with rigid coaxial rotors which are powered by two Honeywell T55 turboshaft engines. These engines have 4,867 SHP with 7-stage axial and 1-stage centrifugal compressor. The Sikorsky aircraft and Boeing are developing this particular chopper as a joint multi-role initiative. The SB-1 protocol made its first flight on 21st March 2019. Coming to the other protocol is the Bell V-280 Valor. The Bell V-280 Valor is a tilt-rotor aircraft being developed by Bell and Lockheed Martin. This chopper is powered by two General Electric T64 turboshaft engines with 4,750 SHP power. The Bell V-280 Valor made its first flight on 18th December 2017 in Texas. According to the latest update, looks like United Kingdom has showed interest in this particular future long-range assault aircraft program, and they are looking to replace their current fleet of Boeing CH-47 Chinook with this in-development choppers. The main features and capabilities which they are more interested are the upgraded precision strike missiles, about which they would be interacting with Lockheed Martin, the night vision goggles, the integrated visual augmentation system, and high mobility artillery rocket systems. It is really nice to see United Kingdom and United States collaborating together for such platform development program. Many things are in discussions among these two powerful countries and their effort in bringing in the joint modernization and development of weapon systems, future vertical lift platforms, and the other areas of defense. So that was a quick recap on the United States future long-range assault aircraft program and United Kingdom's interest in it. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.